Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafty Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I've got a little unboxing video from a company called BENECREAT, and their website has a huge range of craft supplies, beading supplies, findings, all sorts. And they kindly sent me a parcel to review, so I got to choose what I wanted from their website and then they sent it to me. So it didn't take very long to get here, probably 10 days maybe. So I've opened the packet and I haven't looked inside yet. I've forgotten what I've ordered, but we will have a look. So nothing else in there. Everything's well wrapped, it's all bubble wrapped. What have we got here? Okay, another bubble wrap bag. Oh yes, I remember. Okay, wow. Thousands, and I mean probably thousands of sequins. And look at those little flower sequins. We've got yellowy gold, we've got iridescent, I don't know if you can see all these colours, sort of more of an orange, green, a different look maybe, pink, so clear, different pink. Okay, so we've got 3, 6, 9, 10 packets of flower sequins. They are so pretty. And they're going to come in so handy with my boho project. Okay, so that is those, and they were, I don't know if the price is on here. No, that's just the packing list. Okay. Right, what have we got here? Panda Hall Elite. These are, I haven't got the names. I'll put the names on the screen when I edit the video. Now these are beads as well. I'm trying to cut this open. Comes in a little plastic container with a little belly band on it, so we will pull that off. We don't need that on there. Okay, oh, and they're sealed in a little bag. Okay, right, these are double side with their 2-hole, God, they're quite heavy, 2-hole. They're like a spacer bead. Actually, what I'll do is I'll bring up the details in my phone and then I can tell you what they are. Okay. Right, so these are Panda Hall Elite 160 pieces 2-hole seed beads, 24 karat gold and sterling silver, and they, because they are quite heavy, they were $2.23. Now the okay, the sequins were, hang on, I've got to go back, 3,210 millimeter loose sequins, 3D flower shaped, and they were $3.47 for all of those. Okay, right, now what's next? That'll probably turn off. So this here is French bullion wire. Now I've been dying to try this. It's for gold work embroidery. So I'll open that and we'll have a look. It's a very fine gold wire that you use for embroidery. I like these little containers, they're quite cute. So we've got gold and silver. And you can see where it's a little bit stretched in there. You can pull it and stretch it. But I'm dying to have a go with that. So that is the bullion wire. And that was, let me tell you, $7.73. So it's 18 gauge French bullion wire, 40 grams of matte gold and matte silver. Okay, now these little not fairy wings, butterfly wings. These are so pretty. So they're little organza. I'll turn them around. Very butterfly wings. So they're going to be cute. You can use the bullion wire to go around the outside and you know, create your gold work. Oh, they're pretty. They're going to come in handy. They're going to be fun. Okay, so they were Organza Craft Butterfly and Wings, $2.21, and this is in US dollars. Okay, pop those back there. Aren't they pretty? Don't squish any of them. Look at those green ones. They're very cool. Aren't they pretty? Okay, I'll just leave those there for now. Pop those over there. Now, this one here I'm very excited about because what it is, just snip this open. Okay. Right, plastic bag, we don't need that in that box, but what this is these are for making journal covers. So what they are, those are spaces. So there's all different kinds here, all different sizes. So that when you cut out your cardboard, you place those in between and then you get the same spacing. I'll have to show you. That's the corner gauge. And then all of these are different size. So those are the L shapes. To create the same spacing when you're making journal covers. So there's all of those. So these are acrylic, so you peel the plastic off, and they're see-through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. 2, 4, 6, 7 of those, 2 L shapes, so you can line everything up so it's straight, you know, when you, and then the corner guide. Now this, let's see if we can take the plastic off so you can, I mean it's just acrylic plastic. Pretty sure. Okay, there we go. So there's the, and that's for doing corners, so that you get your angles the same. So, oh, and then the last thing, keep that there, is a stamp set. Now, what have we got here? Oh, these are all sorts of different. Open your eyes, open your heart, and you will see that goodness is everywhere. So they've got little quotes on them. These will be handy. So that looks like a craft one. There's a measuring tape, safety pin, ball of wool, copy. Yeah, those are pretty. So they are silicone clear stamps by GLOBLELAND. Yeah, so those will be fun. So the acrylic, let me tell you what they were. Acrylic bookbinding spacer tools, they were $7.28, and the GLOBLELAND stamp set was $1.53. So I am extremely thrilled with all of those. I will put a link in the description to the website and a link to all of these supplies, and I will come back in a few days time and I will do a project using some of them. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you BENECREAT for my first order. I'm very impressed with it all, and I will be having lots of fun making some treasures with them. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.